Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. If you are new to my channel, then hello, my name is Gemma. It's so lovely to have you here. If you are returning, then also lovely to have you here on my channel. So I'm going to get straight to the point because you guys have probably seen from the title of today's video, I am going to be talking you through my at-home experience with this Kenzzi laser hair removal IPL handset. I'm going to talk you through how to use it and most importantly the results that I've seen so far. So this Kenzzi handset is, like I said, an at-home laser hair removal device, and I actually started having laser hair removal under my arms before we went into the first lockdown in the UK. And I looked at having this done. I wanted to start with my underarms and then go on to my legs. Obviously it is an expensive treatment, which I did consider, and I definitely wanted to really target the hairs on my legs, especially during the summer when I just want to wear skirts and dresses at ease and not have to worry about shaving my legs daily. So obviously, that said, going to a salon or a place where you have it done professionally, it is expensive. So Kenzzi actually reached out to me and they asked if I wanted to try this at home IPL handset for myself. Obviously I jumped at the opportunity after doing a little bit of research on the brand and watching some YouTube videos as well. All I could see was really good results. There were no negatives. I really wanted to try it myself. I thought I'd say as well, this comes with a 12-month warranty, so you don't have to worry about it breaking, or if it does, at least you know you can get a replacement. So this handset retails for £176. Obviously in dollars it's a little bit more expensive, but I'm going to leave a discount code on the screen here for you, which gets you $50 off your first handset, which is an amazing discount. So the link to the IPL handset will be in the description box. So it does say that you should really use this for 4 weeks until you see any results. So just use it consistently once a week for 4 weeks. So I have actually been using this for 2.5 weeks now. I'll be going into my 3rd week next week, so I obviously can't tell you my results of the whole treatment so far, but I can definitely update you at a later stage. But I have actually seen results already. So I've been using it consistently now for 3 weeks. I have used it on my underarms, and I've also just started to use it on my legs as well. And I have just, I thought I'd say as well, quite fine, not very dark hair, but I have noticed, especially under my underarms, that my hair is not growing back as quick, which is great because I haven't even completed the full course yet. So I'm going to show you the device. I'm going to show you how to use it. It's so easy. I cannot stress enough like the convenience of this. Obviously you don't have to worry about booking an appointment, going into a salon. Now that we're in lockdown, we can't even do that. So if you have obviously started your laser treatment journey, you don't have to worry about missing your appointments, which is great. And I just love how easy and convenient this is. I use it when I come out of the shower. I can use it in the bedroom when I've got something on Netflix, and I can use it when I come straight out the shower. Like, it's so convenient. It's also great for the environment because disposable razors, obviously they aren't great for the environment. It's plastic, it's kind of a couple of times use, then you throw them away. And like I said, I started having laser hair removal and now I don't have to worry about missing my appointments, which is great. So I'll show you what's in the box because obviously you probably want to see. So you get this little box which has the Kenzzi branding on the front. I really like the simplicity of this. You don't have, it's a no fuss device. So you get this cute little box, which obviously as you can see isn't massive, and then the first thing you'll see when you open the box is this little manual. So what I like about this is it's really simple to follow. Sometimes you get these manuals which are like this thick and you're there for years trying to figure it out. This isn't like that at all. So you just open it. It's a, I think it was, like a 5-page booklet. So it will tell you the prep you need to do to use it, like what buttons to press, and also the intensity, things like that. There's some tips and tricks in there, and also recommended use. So for best results, it is recommended that you use this Kenzzi device once a week for the full 12-week treatment. And like I said, results do differ from person to person, but most people will notice a difference after their like 3rd to 4th session. There's also a skin tone chart on the back, and also, you know, some precautions like don't use it near your eyes, make sure you haven't had any sun exposure, you've got any fake tan on, everything like that. Also really important to say, when I usually have a shower, I exfoliate. It's really good to exfoliate to remove all the dead skin cells from your body and also prevent ingrown hairs as well. But when I usually use it when I come out of the shower, and don't apply any moisturizer, don't apply any deodorants, any oils, because you want to use it on your skin, and then you can use some moisturizer or like a cooling gel over the top after you have used it. So that's a little manual. This is the Kenzzi IPL handset. It's really small, neat and compact. You've got your power button on the back and then your intensity button here. So there's 5 intensity levels. When you first get this device, just use intensity 1, just so your skin can get used to it, and then you build up to the intensity. I'm now on intensity 5 after my 2nd going into 3rd session. And then you get this power cord. This does come all like individually wrapped, but I have used this, so I've taken it out of the plastic. So you get the power supply and then a very long cord. If you are in the UK, you will need an adapter for this, because it hasn't got the UK plug, but I've literally got so many of those floating around my house, so that's fine. And because this cord is so long, I don't actually have a power socket directly in my bathroom, so I plug this outside my bathroom and it's long enough to reach, which is great because I actually prefer to use this after I have a shower. It's so quick and easy to use. Usually I'll shave my underarms in the shower, and then this is just great to use under my arms. It's so quick, it's so easy. I haven't applied any deodorant or anything like that, and it just keeps me on top of my underarms anyway. And then if I'm doing my legs, for example, I can do that in my room when I've got a Netflix documentary on or a film or something. So yeah, I've just plugged it in to the socket, and this is a 3-meter power cord, so it's nice and long. And then what you do is you pop this in there like that, and then the power button, see, as you can see, it's flashing green, which indicates that the power is on. So great start, guys. So you just press the power button at the back, which also controls the intensity here. It makes a kind of like fan-esque noise, but don't worry, the device has to be in contact with your skin, and you need to press this button for the IPL lights to pulse. So a lot of people are probably wondering, is it pain-free? And I can confirm personally, this does not cause me any pain whatsoever. Not on my legs, not on my underarms. I mean, you can use this all over your body as well, but for me right now, the areas I want to specifically target are my underarms and my legs, which I'm going to do for the full 12 weeks. At the minute, obviously, first time use intensity 1, but because I've been using this for a while now, I'll put it on intensity 4. So as you can see, that's indicated there, and then all you need to do is press that. It's not going to work whilst it's not in contact with my skin, but we're going to go to the bathroom and I'm going to do my underarms. The green button on the back of the Kenzzi device turns the device on and also changes the intensity of this device. As you can see, I've got mine on 4. So this is safe to use on freckles and moles, but if you've got any large moles, avoid that area, along with any recent sun damage, sunburn or recent scarring. Make sure the area that you're going to target is clean, and then press it on the skin and press the pulse button down, and this will emit the IPL light and target the area that you want to remove the hair from. So you can run over the area up to 3 times, and it's so quick and easy to do. And then as you can see, I'm just moving on to my other underarm and doing the same thing again. It really is that quick and that easy to use. That, guys, is really how easy it is to use. My underarms feel so soft, it didn't hurt. You will see is the light flashing. Just make sure it doesn't come into direct contact with your eyes. And that is done. It literally took me less than 2 minutes, and I'll do that once a week. I hope you enjoyed this little demo of the Kenzzi handset. It really is so easy to use, and like I said, I have already seen some results on my underarms. I'm going to continue to use this for the full 12 weeks. I don't have to worry about missing an appointment during lockdown. Even when the salons reopen, I'm still going to continue using this in the comfort of my own home. Obviously, this is a fraction of the price compared to your standard methods of laser treatment. Get 10 years flashes out of this, so you don't have to worry about it being a kind of one-time use thing. This is going to last you for ages. So if any of you guys are interested in picking up one of these for yourself, make sure you use my discount code. I will leave it on the screen here, and that gets you $50 off this handset, which is a huge saving for you guys. So let me know if any of you are going to pick one of these up yourself. If any of you have tried this Kenzzi IPL laser hair removal handset, I would love to know. If you've got any questions, any hesitations, honestly, just pop me a comment below and I'll get back to you. But there's nothing to be fearful of this. It's so easy to use, it's so convenient. Go onto the Kenzzi website, you can see the reviews for yourself. Go and have a little look at some other YouTube videos. Honestly, the reviews for this are nothing but good. I just really like how simple the packaging is. The box is cute. If it's maybe something that you're looking to get for your loved one as a little Christmas gift, you can use my discount code as well. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, guys, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.